In the next 6 minutes, this seated tummy workout will activate your core and get your abs working, right from your chair. We start in 3, 2, 1, let's go!
You're stronger than you think. Let the music drive you. Let the sweat remind you. You're putting in work. Stay focused, stay fierce, and remember, champions aren't born, they're built. Now let's go all in. 3, 2, 1, move!
Now that we are warmed up, it's time to move. Round 1, exercise 1. Let's crush it. Great job! Exercise 2 coming up. Your body is begging for more. You've got this, champ! Let's go! You're doing so well, champ. Your body is so proud of you. Exercise 3 in a bit. Are you ready? Let's do this. Come on. Three done, 2 more to go. Every move is progress, every sweat is strength. Exercise 4 up next. Let's go. You're not just burning fat, you're building resilience. Let's finish strong. Last exercise for round 1. Let's go! Round 1 done. Great job, champ. You are halfway through this routine. Take a 1-minute rest and we go at it again. Well rested? Ready for round 2? This is the final round. Give it your best. Exercise 1. Let's go. Nice job, champ. Every rep is progress. Exercise 2 coming up. Let's do this. Can you feel the burn yet? That's a good sign. Your muscles are working, your body is happy. Let's tighten our core further with exercise 3. Come on! 3 done, 2 more to go. You have done the hard work. Let's keep the momentum up. Exercise 4, let's go. You're almost done, champ. I am so proud of you and your body is prouder. One last push to go. You've got this, champ. Give it your best. Finish like a champ that you are. Let's go! Congratulations, champ! Workout complete. Strong finish. Drop done in the comments. Then come back tomorrow and run it again. We're doing this for 14 straight days. Comment done every time you finish so you can track your progress. We're winning this together, champ.